In this video, we're about to embark on a journey through one of the most exciting and transformative periods in trading history. Between 2020 and 2025, artificial intelligence has radically reshaped how trading is done. From simple, rule-based bots and manual strategies to intelligent, adaptive systems that can analyze live news, optimize strategies in real time, and even write code for you, the shift is nothing short of revolutionary. We'll explore how AI evolved from a buzzword into an essential trading partner, changing not only how we trade, but who can trade at advanced levels. This video will break down complex innovations into simple, understandable parts. So whether you're a beginner or a seasoned trader, you'll walk away with new insights. Just 5 years ago, trading was a slower, more manual process. Most retail traders were coding in Pine Script or Python by hand. Strategies followed rigid rules. If the RSI crosses 70, then sell. It was effective, but inflexible. There was little in the way of automation beyond basic order execution. Fast forward to today, and it's like stepping into the future. AI can now write, test, and optimize your strategies. It can respond to breaking news faster than a human. It can learn from every trade it makes. Trading has evolved more in these 5 years than in the 20 before them. In 2020, most trading strategies were rule-based and built on historical data. Traders manually coded logic using Pine Script version 3 or basic Python. These scripts defined fixed conditions: price crosses moving average, volume spike, MACD crossover. Traders relied on indicators like Bollinger Bands, RSI, and MACD to spot opportunities. While powerful, these tools lacked adaptability. Bots couldn't learn, they simply followed instructions. And while they were useful in trending markets, they often failed in volatile or news-driven environments. Backtesting was tedious, requiring manual data input and long hours. Even small adjustments could mean rewriting code. Emotions still played a big role. Traders often overrode their systems based on gut feelings, leading to inconsistency and losses. Automation was limited. Execution could be automated, but strategic thinking was still very manual. By 2021, the winds of change were starting to blow. Early adopters began experimenting with machine learning in trading. ML models were used to classify market conditions, predict direction, and optimize entry and exit points. These models trained on historical data and used features like price action, volume, and even simple sentiment indicators. At the same time, platforms like MetaTrader and QuantConnect began offering basic AI tools to retail users. Traders began experimenting with sentiment analysis, using Twitter feeds and news articles. They used simple natural language processing to gauge market mood. Backtesting tools began integrating AI for optimization. Instead of testing one variable at a time, AI could scan thousands of combinations to find the most effective parameters. However, this period was still early. Tools were experimental and often required data science knowledge. But for those who persisted, the payoff was significant. Faster strategy development, smarter signals, and an early taste of trading with machine intelligence. By 2023, AI was no longer experimental, it was essential. This was the year large language models, especially GPT, began helping traders write, debug, and optimize their strategies. You could describe your strategy in natural language, and the AI would generate clean, working code in Pine Script or Python. Errors were flagged and fixed instantly. More advanced systems used reinforcement learning. These bots could simulate thousands of trades, learn from outcomes, and continuously improve. They adapted strategies based on volatility, volume, or news events. No human intervention needed. Natural language processing became a core feature. Platforms could interpret real-time news, central bank updates, tweets, and sentiment feeds. These inputs were turned into actionable insights. AI read faster than any human and reacted before prices changed. AI-assisted platforms like TradingView and Alpaca integrated these tools, bringing institutional-level capabilities to everyday traders. Suddenly, building a smart trading bot took minutes, not months. Let's step back and compare the major shifts. In 2020, traders wrote manual, rule-based scripts. Data was historical, testing was slow, tools were basic. In 2025, traders describe strategies and AI codes them. Data is real-time and multi-source. Testing is automatic and optimized. Tools are intelligent and constantly improving. Every aspect of the workflow has evolved. What once took days now takes seconds. The entry barrier has collapsed. Even non-coders can create sophisticated systems. These changes have real impact. Trading has become faster and more accurate. Emotion is minimized. Bias is reduced. Strategy creation is democratized. Tools that once cost tens of thousands are now free or low cost. Retail traders are outperforming thanks to AI-powered bots. Portfolios are managed dynamically. When the market shifts, AI rebalances positions in real time. Risk is calculated continuously. Case studies show traders using AI making smarter, more consistent decisions. For example, during a surprise inflation report, traditional bots panicked and sold. AI bots recognized it as short-term volatility and held their positions, leading to better outcomes. But AI isn't perfect. It's only as good as the data it learns from. Bad data can lead to bad trades. Overfitting is a major problem, where bots perform well in backtests but fail in live markets. Regulation is catching up. Authorities are concerned about AI market manipulation and algorithmic abuse. Traders must stay compliant and transparent. Finally, AI lacks judgment. It doesn't understand context like a human. It can hallucinate or misinterpret language. That's why human oversight is still essential. The next phase will be even more exciting. AI will become conversational. You'll speak your strategy aloud, and your assistant will build it instantly. Data will expand beyond markets. AI will integrate satellite data, global news, IoT sensors, and even biometric signals. Strategies will be deeply personalized, designed around your financial goals and trading psychology. Human-AI collaboration will become the new normal. Traders won't use AI, they'll work with it. AI has transformed trading in just 5 years. What was once manual and rule-based is now intelligent, fast, and deeply personalized. If you're not using AI in your trading yet, you're missing out on a massive edge. So here's your challenge. Try one AI trading tool this week. See what it builds for you. Then come back and share your results. And if this video helped clarify things, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more trading tech deep dive.